In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a set of metallic noise nodes. This is how the scene looks like. We only have 2 meshes in the scene. This is how the material looks like in Eevee. This is in cycles. I'm using 32 samples. I'll hide the meshes, and show you how the scene was created from scratch. Let's press Shift-A to create a teapot. If you don't see that in the menu, please activate an add-on called Extra Objects. Ctrl-3 to subdivide. Right-click and shade Smooth to smooth the surface. We'll also need a ground plane. I'll show you how the teapot's material look like. Basically, I'm using a metallic material with a noise texture node connected to the material output's displacement. We can create an illusion of the metallic noise, but we need to look into one more option to complete the material. As I have shown you previously, in order to achieve this result in cycles, we must change an option under the material settings. It's displacement and bump. By default, the material only has the bump turned on. This is how we create the metallic noise in Blender. I'm using the sky texture, and here are my settings. I have used a dark metallic material for the ground mesh. When displacement and bump gets activated, the material appears a bit higher than the mesh. Please remember to align the material's bottom with the ground plane before rendering. I have used the usual denoise setting under the Compositing tab. Please add a denoise tab to match my default denoise settings. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.